Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to show you all some earrings of the day. All right, so these earrings are called Goddess Evolution, and I also have another dope item I want to show y'all in this earring of the day. Okay, so let me show y'all. She is so fly. Do y'all see that? Look at her indigenous look. Beautiful. And look at the beading. I did something different. And I got a sterling silver hook on here. Do y'all? Oh, look at the beading. It looks so... My mom gave me these beads. She gave me quite a few beads. These and these. Yep. So this is Goddess Evolution. This is the back of one. All right. So here goes the other one. This is like a side view of her, kind of far back. Goddess Evolution. Y'all see how fly? And this is the back. Yes. All right. So it might be a little glare on there. So let me show y'all these dope rings. I have some more dope rings I'm going to show y'all. But let me show y'all these right here. They are Kari and Copper. Here they go. Just a very simple Kari shell ring. And the Kari shell is pretty big. Y'all can see that? It's pretty big. Because this size is like a, this size of this is like a 3-inch. And see how big the Kari shell is? So we have a brass band, adjustable band, which is copper and zinc. Brass is copper and zinc. With copper, it does give off the little, you might get a little green on your finger. It's not due to that something has happened. From my acknowledgement, it just cleansing. And if you want to get that off, if you get a little, because see right here I have a little, it usually come from sweat, oils, different things like that. And I done had this ring probably like over a month, so I've been wearing it, and you can see the difference of me wearing this ring. You can cleanse it with a little lime juice, a little vinegar. If you don't like the green on it, I'm gonna put some more information about what that is across the screen, and I'll talk more about that in the upcoming video. I have a ring haul video that's coming up, so I'll tell y'all more about that. Yes, but they are adjustable. They're beautiful. Like, I've been rocking this one for over a month now. It's intact. I wash the dishes with it, which I know you shouldn't wash dishes with jewelry, but I do. I paint with it, and it's intact, and it's very adjustable. You just pull it, and it can adjust to the size you want. See right here, let me show you how you could just open that, and it can adjust to the size you want it to adjust to. Pretty big. It could get pretty big. So let me close that back. It's a little strong, so if you got like a husband or something like that, or a boyfriend, or us women strong, we can adjust it the way we like. So yeah, so these items are going to be listed on knoirdesigns.com. I have just a few of these right here, these adjustable Kari rings, and I will make a few of her. So it will be listed on knoirdesigns.com. Also, don't forget to go check out boabw.com, Beauty of a Black Woman, Beauty of all Black Women, to get the dopest hand-painted earrings from the Earring Goddess. It's over 300 something pair over there. So go check it out and use code UNITY15 to get 15% off. All right, y'all. Salam.